Hey friends, I'm Stacy.
And I'm Kevin.
And we are on a Key Largo adventure. We've been doing a whole lot of fun things. If you haven't seen those videos, you can go back and watch our snorkeling adventure and kayaking with crocodiles. And today,
we're going fishing.
that's impressive.
Button snapper?
Wow. Let's pretend I got it. I got that.
Well, I will do that. That's what real fishermen do.
This is what I got.
Whoa. Fish on. Nice one up here somewhere.
So Kevin's not feeling good.
Yeah, I got a kidney stone. Not pleasant, especially when there's so many waves and you already kind of feel nauseated to begin with. So, yeah.
There's a lot of people throwing up too. Thankfully, we took some Dramamine. We booked our excursion with Sailor's Choice, and it was so much fun. We really had a great time and caught a ton of fish. When it was over, we could pay a little extra and they would go ahead and clean everything for us. So then we were able to just take the fresh fish home and cook it up for a delicious fish taco meal. We had a really good time fishing today, but we also took Dramamine and I cannot wake up. I'm too tired.
Yeah, I'm dragging some rear end myself.
We are now over our Dramamine slumber and we are ready to, I'm gonna make some pineapple salsa and we're gonna have some blackened fish tacos with pineapple salsa.
Very good.
Hello, my name is Kevin, and I am tired from the Dramamine.
So we have a lot of fish to make, but I just don't know if that's happening. I think I might just have some chocolate chips and go to bed again. So tired.